Welcome to the show where you'll learn how to invest in mortgage notes, the savvy real estate investor's secret weapon to create cash flow without tenants and property acquisitions for pennies on the dollar. My name is Robert Haitha, founder of Fix Notes, and my mission is to make note investing ethical, profitable, and accessible for you. In every episode, we're democratizing the industry to put these powerful Wall Street assets into the hands of Main Street investors like you. So without further ado, let's get into this show where you're in good hands with my AI clone. Let's go. This program is for informational purposes only and should be independently verified before taking action. A good note starts with control. That means a complete collateral file, original note, mortgage or deed of trust, allonge, and a clean chain of assignments. Without that, your legal right to enforce is shaky. Even if the numbers look good, broken title or missing documents can turn a promising deal into a litigation risk. Next is equity. A solid note has a healthy spread between the unpaid balance and the current property value. Low loan to value means more options, whether it's foreclosure, discounted payoff, or even selling the note. You're not hoping for appreciation, you're buying with built-in protection. Then comes borrower data. The more you know, the more you control. Is the borrower employed? Have they filed bankruptcy? Are they still in the home? These factors shape your resolution strategy. You want to know if this is someone likely to reperform, settle, or dig in and stall. For non-performers, borrower communication history is critical. Are they ghosting everyone, or have they shown signs of engagement? A good note also has a clean payment history if it's performing, or at least a documented one if it's not. You want evidence of seasoning, reinstatement attempts, or long-term non-payment. That history helps you model cash flow and timeline. And make sure the numbers match across documents, especially if the loan has been modified. Discrepancies in balance, interest rate, or term can create servicing and legal headaches. Servicing matters too. Notes handled by a professional, licensed servicer, preferably one who answers the phone, give you leverage. Whether it's compliance mailings, borrower outreach, or foreclosure coordination, the servicer is your front line. If a note is self-serviced or comes from a seller with messy books, assume extra cleanup time and costs. Speaking of sellers, your counterparty is part of what makes a good note. You want someone who provides complete docs, answers questions, and honors the deal terms. A seller who ghosts after funding or hides flaws in the file is a liability. Experienced sellers with reputations to protect tend to offer better paper and smoother closings. Also think about legal position. If you're in a junior lien, is the first current? If you're in a judicial state, are you ready for longer timelines and higher legal fees? Good notes fit your business model and your budget for risk. Some investors love deeply distressed paper because they have systems and capital to resolve it. Others want steady reperformers with minimal touch. A good note fits your playbook. Don't forget exit strategy. Can you resell it? Could you turn it into a rental via deed in lieu? Is there a realistic payoff path? If the only way out is a costly foreclosure on a low value property in a judicial state, that's not a good note. It's a time bomb. A good note has multiple exits and at least one of them is profitable. So in short, a good note has clean docs, solid equity, useful borrower data, professional servicing, a trustworthy seller, and a clear exit plan. If it lacks one or more of those, you need a serious discount or you walk away. In the next episode, we'll look at how to weigh risk versus reward in note investing, how to build yield while protecting your downside. Thanks for sticking around to the end, and thank you to my trusty Robot and the Fix Notes team for putting together another episode. If you want to learn more and hang out with the real, not AI version of me, join our free school community at school.com/fixnotes. That's SKOOL.com/FIXNOTES. In the meantime, we'll see you in the next episode.